What's happening, fam? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? We're live on 100𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗏𝗏. So we just did it live on Crypto Live, and I thought we didn't have a lot of time to actually go through the tokens and all that. So I thought I would just jump in here because this market is like completely freaking disgusting, really. If you look at this is the monthly, this is the weekly, this is the daily, this is the hourly. It's all red. What is the yearly? The yearly is still good, but not all. Lido down 42%. Well done, 47%. Welcome. Trump down 58%. Atom 52%. INJ 60%. Okay, so it's not as great, but I thought I'm gonna jump in here and literally just do tokens. I'm gonna also eat a little bit here, but I want you guys to just give me the tokens. And this is literally just gonna be about me going through the tokens. This is what we're gonna do on 100𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗏. here. We do a lot of trading content and all that, but I think it's important for me to just really be here with you. So this is what we're gonna do now. So let me go through here. I'm gonna eat something while we read this. Smash the like left. Hello Fefe, hello cuz. What's happening, Murat? It has been like 6 seconds already. Lido, Sol, and BTC. We're gonna look at them. Stay on your channel. Don't stay with scam. Why do you say Ren is a scammer? Like, why is all this hate? I don't understand. Bad trade my family, bro. Thank you, Fefe. I'm sorry for this happened to you, but you must know that you helped many people navigate this market. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If there's anyone you must hear from trading advice, it is this man right here. Thank you. Chop chop. I'm here as well. I like it more when you are here. Monkey Face is back. I haven't traded in 5 weeks now. I'm back to collect my winnings. Good. We are the hardcore group. Yes. Yes, sir. Having a snack, chop chop. Yes. Fuck you. A meme pump? No. Eve, please. Let's get back together. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's do the tokens. Sui liquided at 230. Shall I hold? I was saying I'm waiting for 240 on Sui, hey? I'm waiting for 240. Let's go. Your honesty is humbling. As always, I told you so. I mean, I do I told you so as well a lot of times, but even now I told you so. But I'd rather take the angle of like, I told you, but then I didn't do what I said, so it doesn't count. Okay. Oh, by the way, do we have the background? Brother. Oh my god, cuz is like. Okay, we have this. Fine, no worries. Fine, bro. Where is that? Where did you send it to me? So you guys can come on the show. We're gonna. Oh, this WhatsApp. You know that we don't do it like this. You know that. Cuz getting fired again. It's fine. I'm not even worried. Look at this. Bam. Okay, good. Cuz okay, you did an okay job. I'll tell you that. You did an okay job. So you guys can come on here as well if you want. We're gonna do this. We have community stuff. Here we go. So you will be able to come on here as well to ask questions. This is what I really want this to be like. So I know it's kind of like if you're rewatching this stream, I feel sorry for you. There will be timestamps down in the description. But this is the place to be and just, okay, here you go. I'm going to add a Zoom link cuz I send you a Zoom link. You can join in if you want. You are able to join in here with me and be here and ask your questions and just have a chat. So if you want to join, there's a link in the description cuz it's just going to yeah, send it in the comments and pin it. Sir, give us some trades, recover our funds. It's gonna be also very important. It's gonna be a long-term game. It's gonna be a long-term game. This is the thing here. This is the thing up here that if you click on there, you can jump on here and chat with us. Let's see. I already have some people. Let's do this then. Hey, should we just do this? Yeah, we can do it. Hold on a second. Let me just do this. I've got 2 people waiting in line here. RP, admit. I'm waiting for you to turn on your camera, bruh. If you are here. got someone in the waiting line, the waiting room. Okay, RP joined, but he doesn't even speak. So I'm just gonna end the meeting. Okay, let's jump in here because I think it's gonna be important because there's a new link. Sorry about this. I ended the meeting for all. There's a new link. Okay, let's go. What's this? It's the new link. New link. Here's what I'm thinking. Total, I gave you the analysis on the crypto live. Okay, so I'm not even gonna go that much deeper in there. If you haven't seen it, we're gonna link it in the description. This is what I'm thinking. I think we can. No one really knows, so we have to take either we take this high, we go up to the 3.57. We take that high and then we confirm. Then we're probably gonna have a little bit of pullback and whatever. And then we enter there, or you start layering in. But I do think buying here spot, if you still have cash, is all in. Like I'm not even kidding. Like the bull market is not over, shit is not ending. I do think this is an incredible buying opportunity we've all been waiting for on the daily. We have a retrace to the 50, which we previously had as well. Of course, there was some consolidation as well, so we could see months, even like we could see a 1 or 2 month consolidation period here. If you take this under account and we see, okay, let's assume that this was it, right? It's very similar. Look at this. Like this is how it would look. So I would not be surprised to see consolidation till like this like kind of screws everything. Our time cycle and whatever. It's just like you really see the difference here. So we have to see what's going to happen. But this is very similar. I do think buying here does make a lot of sense. To be very honest with you, it does make a lot of sense. But make sure that you do not get liquidated. Someone sent us a super chat. Anonymous here. I want to say I'm sorry that I assaulted you on your X channel. I'm really sorry. Anonymous here. Good. Thank you for your hard work. You're good. All good. You see, I'm shocked now. I'm in shock. I'm in a shock. Like, what the fuck should I say? But it's probably because I got so much shit from people. And probably he's feeling, that I was right. And so I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. It happens, it's fine. It happens. Thank you for your hard work. I need like 30% to get liquidated. Hope I survive, bro. AR, please, is dead. We can look at it. Can you do curve? Yes. Respect. Reveal your name. Reveal your name. Take your mask off. We've got 4 people waiting here. Jolly. I invited Jolly. Jolly's connecting to the audio. I can't hear you. Joel. Maybe not Jolly. Anyway. I'm going to try to bring people up, guys. I'm just going to try to... I think this is what this whole thing should be about. Because I gave you all the alpha that I could on Crypto Live. We can literally just do... Jolly is not... She's not responding. So I'm just gonna kick her out here. Remove. I'm just gonna open up the waiting room. So if anybody wants to come in, just make sure that you apply. Okay. 8 to 10 billion recreations is crazy. Yeah, it is crazy. It's crazy. It's insane. Let's see 𝗙𝗲𝗄. Okay, let's start doing some because people. So there's a link in up here. Okay, if you want to join me live here, you can do that. It's a Zoom link. Okay, so you can click on there. Until then, let's do some tokens because I think that's what the community also wants. Okay, I'll try this one more time. There's someone who's joining just now. I just want to know if it works as well. 𝗙𝗲𝗄𝗄. Let's see if it even works. 𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗙𝗀, bro. It's damn. Like I have to look under the table for 𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗀. It's that crazy. 𝗙𝗲𝗄𝗄. It says joining. I don't know. Is this... Okay, something is happening here. I just want to know if it even works because I'm just saying join here and it doesn't work, then it's not good. Buy ONDO, XRP and SUI in this dip. Yes. Gonna look at them. We appreciate you. Thank you. They went after my 250 and got them. I buy ONDO, XRP and SUI in this dip. Lost 5K. 5,000 ETH or $5,000 worth of ETH? That's the real question. Because... someone named Fred is here. It would be so crazy if this was the Fred. Fred, I'm admitting. I see a lot of people joining in. This is cool. This is what we should be doing. Fred, you're in here. Fred, you're in here. Can you hear me? Fred got scared. He was like, no, fuck that. Rodrigo, you're in here. Rodrigo, you're in here. Can you hear me? Oh, Rodrigo is here, my friend Rodrigo. Can you hear me, Rodrigo?
Hey, Fefe, what's up? Can you hear me?
Hold on a second. I do hear you. But the others don't. So I'm just going to add you now. Here you go, Rodrigo. Welcome to the show. What's happening?
Hey, man, what's up? Thanks for having me here.
Always. How are you?
But I was following your advice yesterday in X, as always, so I got out of many of really bad positions, but I didn't get hit really hard, so thank you very much, man. I don't really have an income, so all the money that I can get to has been pretty much saved, actually. And I have been layering in slowly on 3x. I really got tired on shitcoins, so I am only trading ETH and SOL because I think they move much more than BTC. So I just wanted to ask you, right now I have two positions open, like I said, on SOL and ETH. My SOL position right now is at 3x. It's down 28% right now. And my liquidation price is at 144. I have 50% of my trading account still on cash. So I don't know, what's your opinion? And then I got an ETH position. I'm weak X, so I got separated three ETH positions. One of them is on profit right now, very small profit, but my worst position right now is 50% down, and I'm getting liquidated at 2,000. So also 3x. So I don't think it's really that bad. I know that many other people got really messed up. So I don't know. What do you think about it?
Let me bring you up. I'm just sorting the screen here, and then I'll bring you up here. Hold on a second. Let me just do this. Somebody's saying that the link isn't working. Oh, the first one doesn't work. The second works. Okay, so tell me, talk to me. So say that again. Sol, you're on Sol.
I'm on Sol. I got in on 250. 15.
215. 15. Into long.
Yeah, 215.
Okay.
Yeah, I got.
What's the question? Are you what leverage are you on?
3x liquidation price.
Okay, so you're down 60%, eh, on the position.
28%. Well, 215, not 250.
Yeah. 215. Yeah. Down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like,
well, here's what I can tell you. I do see the bottom, like the lowest Sol can go. What is your liquidation price?
144. I still got 50% of my cash.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay. I can
put in a lot of margin on.
So you've been paying attention. You've been paying attention and doing it right.
Yeah, sort of.
Oh yeah.
Have
Okay.
Been better, but yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Hold on a second. I just changed this. Okay. But that's good, bro. That's good. Like I'm proud of you because yeah, you listened. Okay. So here's what I think is going to happen. Sol, I do think Sol is not going below 154, but it's also very important to know that there will be a relief rally. I think there will be a relief rally. Maybe today or not today. What you have to evaluate is what happens if this thing starts dumping and it goes down to, maybe sub. Yeah, I can see a possibility of this wicking through 165 and then possibly down. But if the 155 does not hold here, you know what's going to happen? This liquidity will be taken. If that does not hold, Sol is going sub 100.
Holy shit.
So I think I would definitely have a stop loss in. And I would also just make sure it's either reduce leverage, reduce size on the relief rally that is coming, or just know that or you will take a big haircut if it comes to 155. If it closes below the 155, I would just cut the whole position.
Okay, 155.
Yeah. Wait, what? Just tell me one more thing because there's like a lot of people joining in here. We're gonna bring you guys on. Tell me how long we've been watching the shows.
Oh boy, yeah. at least 6 months. At least 6 months.
Where are you from?
Yeah, but I'm from Bolivia, South America.
Nice.
And yeah, it sucks. Our situation right now, economics is really hit hard. So I cannot even use my credit card to buy USDT, man. I have a limit of $50 right now. So even if I had a regular income, it would be really hard for me to add more margin. So right now I'm very stuck with this. I got $800 on my trading account. It's not much, but well, for my situation right now, it really means a lot. $100, you know.
Look, what you can also do. You know what you can also do is that when things get choppy, and this is where we're gonna dominate in the bull market, in the bear market, because what you can also do is go down onto the 5-minute chart and wait for a market structure shift after liquidation. So you can also play around, take $100, whatever that is, you know, and see, for example, in New York, if New York starts pumping, and there's gonna be a lower low on the 5-minute, you know that it's continuing down, right? And if you want to add to your positions and layer in, you can just layer every single time there is a higher high, market structure shift to the upside. So there's not really a lot of things you can lose. But you can also, what you have to know is that your risk management, I actually put out a video on Saturday on Banter, that your risk management should be on point, because you have to risk no more than 1-2% of your capital on each of these scalp trades and get out at 1-to-1. So you can increase your capital. Let's say you have put $100 in here. You can make $2-3 a day easy with this. You know what I mean? If it goes higher, market structure shift on the 3-minute, 5-minute, get out or short the market. If it goes up, or what is dumps first, takes liquidity, market structure shift, and you can get in.
Yeah, I've actually been using your voodoo strategy many times with 20x leverage, $10-15 max.
Nice.
And it has helped me a lot because I could add a lot of margin with that money, extra money, you know. So it's
exactly.
It's quite frustrating because, as you said, it's only $2, $3, $5, $10 each trade, and one has to be on the screen every time. But it's a hustle. So,
bro, you gotta build up. You know, you start from somewhere. I didn't start from hundreds of thousands. You know what I mean? You build up, and as you build up, you build up the hustle, and you build up you build up your resistance, you build up your strategy, and as you're building up, you're gonna have more and more money, and then especially when you learn all this stuff, you'll be just able to simply take more capital as you advance and you make more money. You can put it in crypto and be safe with it and trade safely with it, but you have to really be there in the mind. And what really this dump taught me as well is that if you look at it, like I've been trading for quite some time now, and this thing, even though I knew when the top is, this thing vibes me. You know what I mean? So it's like very important to own the risk amounts that you can use isolated and use stop losses. That's the slower ways to grow. But that's the only way if you want to do capital preservation. Rodrigo, I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for being here. Much love, and I'll see you in the shows, eh?
Yeah.
Thanks for jumping on.
Fefe.
Take care, brother.
Thanks. Bye.
Ciao. Here we go. Let's go. We've got 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 coming in here, I think. We'll see. We'll see if he's coming in here. Oh, what's happening? You're on here. 𝗏𝗏.
Hi, Fefe.
How you hear me?
Yep, can hear you.
How are you?
Thanks for all of the alpha that you brought us, and really appreciate that even after this crash, you're still here answering the calls. So, what I want to ask you is about your portfolio allocation, regardless of whether it goes all the way down to maybe 2.8, 2.7 trillion, and even further down, right? How much of your percentage of your portfolio is in cash at all times? How much of your portfolio is in maybe spots, maybe leverage, and how do you actually classify, your layer ones, your gaming, your real assets, all those sorts?
Look, it's an interesting question, but it's also interesting at this time because multiple questions, right? Number one, how big of my percentage is trading? I have about 60% of my 60+% of my total capital in a trading account, which got damaged hardcore yesterday. But the reason I do have that is because this is how I build up. So I basically gave back the last 4 months profits. I gave back to the market yesterday. The last 4 months. So everything I've been working for the last 4 months, I gave it all back. The reason why I like it because I can grow much faster. I can jump from narrative to narrative. I can use leverage as much as I can. And it helps me. So for me, it makes sense to have 50-60% of my money in a trading account. And the remaining 50 is all in spot. So I put in, so I don't really hold cash as cash. I hold cash as the trading account. That counts for me as cash. So I trade with it. I jump in and out of the market. Or I take scalps, or I take days, swing trades. But that's what my cash is, and the rest is all in spot. Now it's a good question. How do I position myself? And I do think that the landscape is going to change. So I was looking at memes. Obviously, I did some AI plays, AI agents, but I do think that the market is going to shift back. And even though that you have some of your tokens down like 50-60%, I do think that it makes a lot of sense to actually do some relocation now. Because even though it's down and you think like, oh my God, I don't want to sell it because it has to pump back 40% and I'm break even, but you're missing out on a great opportunity if you don't do that. I do think personally that people are going to come back to more utility after this dump, and more utility will catch a bit. So I am going to do a reallocation of my portfolio. I'm gonna rebalance everything that's been happening. Obviously, some of the tokens dumped extremely hard. Some of them didn't dump at all. So we'll see how it plays out. But that's how I look at it. Someone said, Aaron says no more meme coins. Exactly. So like a lot of people are like staying away from meme coins, and that's why I do think that people gonna invest back into utility projects.
Yes, thanks.
Where are you from?
I just want to say that it was during the very first crash at about December 19 around there that I was so shocked and I was so scared. And I just commented in your Twitter saying, help me, I'm scared. And you actually replied.
Oh, was it you?
Yeah, so it was a really, there was a moment of trust back then. So I already know that, even in the bad times, you're actually with us from then. And I really appreciate that. Even though, it's down by a lot, but at least you're there to help us, be with us, right along the journey with us. And I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Bro, it means you have no idea how much this means to me. I really dedicated my life to helping you guys. Honestly, like I've been here 2017, 2021. I got wrecked, completely destroyed. I've been sued. I've had a $250,000 loan on me. It was bad. And I dedicated my life. Like really, I really look at you, the community, as one of my children, you know what I mean? I really do. And when I remember that someone come and hugged me, and I started the show by giving a hug, because that's really just what it is. Like I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, mean that I care. And yeah. So I'm happy it helps, and it really resonates. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. Where are you from, or where are you based?
I'm from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. I'm not going now in February, but I'm going maybe next year. We'll see. All right, take care. Much love. Thank you so much. Take care. All right, here we go. What a cool guy, hey? What a cool guy. Such a cool guy. This is so cool, hey? Do people like it in the chat? Yes. Okay, good. Because I'm having a lot of fun. Do you guys have a lot of fun? Because if you are, we're just going to continue this. You're so special, broski. Oh, I see ya. Oh my God, someone is it. I see a 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙 Edwin. I can't put the 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙 in there. No. You hear me, Edwin? Can you hear me, Edwin? You're not muted. Hold on a second. You're muted.
I do hear you.
Yeah, I hear you. What's happening?
How's it going?
How's it going, bro? What's happening?
It's going.
Talk to me. Are you at work?
I am at work.
What do you do?
I'm a manager for a nutraceutical company.
How? This is so crazy. I don't know why we haven't done this more, cuz. It's so crazy. It's so cool meeting you guys. So tell me, what can I help you with, Edwin?
I'm just here to listen to see what's going on with the market here. We took a big dump here over the weekend. So trying to see which way we're going to go.
Did you get wrecked, or did you survive, or?
I'm surviving. I'm still good.
Good. Are you trading? Or are you investing in spots?
I did trading on crypto. I did a bunch of short, so I did okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Are you part of the community? Are you watching the shows?
I am.
Nice. Are you? I'm the best host on Banter. Is that right?
Yes, you are. Wouldn't say anything else. Otherwise, I'd be lying if I say you're not. You are good, and some good information comes out of here.
Edwin, I appreciate you so much for being in the community. Where are you based?
Miramar, Florida.
Florida. Okay, good.
Yep.
So what do you think? What do you think this tariff thing is going to bring to Florida? Do you think it's going to be a shit show? What do you see on the ground?
I do. Nah, I think it's going to be a shit show.
Okay, what did you say? What field you're in?
Nutraceuticals.
So how do you? So that has a bunch of supplies and stuff, right? I'm not like an expert, but you guys purchasing stuff from abroad?
So actually, our company is Colombian owned.
Okay.
So that's going to create some issues for us.
Okay. So do you already have like discussions about how this thing is gonna go down?
Not yet. We're not, but I'm sure they're thinking about it.
Okay.
I think they're waiting for the dust to settle to see what happens.
Yeah, I think everybody is, eh? Markets as well. Edwin, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for jumping on and being here, and much love, hey?
Same here.
Appreciate
what you do.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Talk to you.
All right. Likewise.
People from fucking all around the world just tuning in here. How cool is this? Oh my God. We should have done this a million times already. This is incredible. Okay, DK. Here we go. Hold on a second. What's happening? DK.
Hey, how are you?
Here we go. Oh, good. How are you? You need to mute me in the background.
Yeah, I've done it.
Cool. So what's going on, man?
Hey, we're
What's
just
your
trying to
name?
navigate this market, listening to a genius, I suppose, eh?
Oh, I'm also looking for a genius to listen to, bro. just can't find him. How is everything? So what's your name? Because I see DK.
It's
Oh, you
Dave.
Daniel. It's Dave.
Dave.
All right, cool. Dave. So what's cooking?
Oh, not much. Looking for these new entries, waiting for that wick to get filled a little bit lower down.
Do I hear a South African accent?
You are right.
Lekker. Where are you in South Africa?
I'm in Johannesburg.
Okay, I've never been. I'm afraid to go. That's the honest truth. I'm afraid to go. They told me.
Wow, you're missing out. It's the best.
Really, is it? Now I really
sure.
need to go. I'm gonna be there. March. I think March something. We might go.
Good.
So what can I?
organize a 100 club meetup.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm down. Cape Town. Let's do it.
Good. Let's do it.
I'm gonna be there. So what is happening? What can I help you with anything, or you just jumped on here and said hi?
Yeah, just jumping on to say hi. I actually closed a lot of my positions on Friday night, luckily. But Spot is getting absolutely destroyed.
Oh, that's fine. If you're in great tokens,
We
what
hodl.
tokens are you holding?
That's how we keep our things separate. We hodl on one side and we trade on the other side.
You know, this is what I said. This is what a lot of people misunderstand is like, why do you trade? Why do you trade? Because of this fucking thing. Like, I trade because of this. Because now the people who don't, and I said it a lot of times, is that 2025 will be traders' heaven and holders, investors. No, it's gonna hell. Yeah, exactly. Investors' hell. Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be traders' paradise and investors' hell. And it is because stuff like this is going to happen. It's gonna be normal. And now that we see class of 2023, 2024 sees for the first time, they see a proper flush. This is the first time that this experience. And I can't wait to see how the ETFs do, because it's gonna be massive. I think the boomers gonna see this. They're gonna be like, I saved up 30% on like a normal traditional investment vehicle. Bro, that's like what? 3 years, 4 years? You get like a 30%.
But one thing, Fefe, do you think we're going to get any sort of alt season?
Now, I think there are a lot of people calling for alt season incoming, and I think that's a huge mistake. It's a huge mistake. And the reason why it's a huge mistake is because there is no such a thing as alt season anymore. There is no such a thing as alt season. There is rotation. and there is layer ones, and then the mind share is gonna be around layer ones, and then there will be gaming, and then the mind share will be about gaming, and then there'll be AI, and there'll be memes, and there'll be RWAs, and there will be DeFi, and there'll be the Ethereum ecosystem, and there will be Bitcoin, everything about ordinals and BRCs, and like, so it's not gonna be stuff where what we've seen 2017 and 2021, where you just come on and you like, buy anything. I close my eyes, I throw a dart, and then I'm in there. So I do not think that is going to be the case, and I think that's what people are waiting for. And this is why. And also, when it comes to hodlers, this is also the problem, because you hodl a portfolio that includes layer ones, that includes layer twos, that includes gaming, that includes RWA, and your portfolio never really goes up altogether because of the rotations. So you see, like, you see some of that goes up, some of that goes down. So some narratives are flying, then you make a shit ton of money there, but then your other narrative coins are just down. And once these narratives starts dying down, you see another narrative pick up, but you didn't really take profit here. You didn't trade because you're holding, and I think that is a problem. So like, I do think that you gotta take profits. I do think that you gotta rotate. And of course, I have like 40-50% of my tokens just in spot, just to have it there. I have it separated into different categories and whatnot. I also shared some of the portfolios some of the tokens that I took, and then that's it. The rest is all trading.
Agreed.
Yeah. So yeah, just position well, and then are you trading? How long have you been watching the shows?
I was on your very, very first 100x Club video, and
really
been watching 100%.
Nice. Did you come from Banter or? Say it again?
Yes.
What did you say?
Yes, from Banter. I saw you from Banter first.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then,
awesome.
Then just followed the
Stuck
journey
around.
and followed the $1 billion hustle, and I look forward to it every Sunday evening.
That's what's up, bro. Thank you. I love it.
Brother.
$1 billion hustle, for those of you who don't know, that's a vlog. There's a link in the description. Okay, thank you so much, David. I truly appreciate you. I'll see you in Cape Town at some point.
Let's do it.
Take care, my brother. Take care. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye.
Here we go. All right, we've got Emerson. Guys, if you want, I'm just saying, if you want to come in here and just chat and whatever, here is this link. You can just click on there. It's in a pinned comment. You click on there and you can come in here. We've got a bunch of people waiting, but just so you know, this is the way to get in here and then just have a chat if you need help or if you just want to chat. USA is open. I see USA is dumping, but this is good. It's taking liquidity. If you go here, you see the States is taking liquidity at first, and I do think that this is actually a good thing for us. I want to believe, but we have to see. All right, let's jump back in here. What's happening? Emerson.
Hi, give me 1 second. I just need to mute.
Back in here. What's happening? Emerson.
Hi, give me 1.
We're echoing in here.
Yeah, we're bad echo.
What's happening, Emerson? What's happening?
It's all good. I've been watching you, Fefe. You're
You know what you can do? You can go into YouTube and then mute the YouTube tab on there. And then mute the YouTube tab.
Yeah, I've muted.
There you go. There you go. Welcome to the show. What's happening?
It's good. Been having a good. Oh, we had a good dump yesterday, which caught me as preaching the 2.95 because I firmly believed that that we are going down. I thought I was 100% safe on my positions, but exchanges tend to do a bit of a tricky thing, and my liquidation price, even though I had a really good liquidation price, they liquidate you above the liquidation price. But I saved 90% of my positions. I was adding margin like madman.
That's good.
Yeah,
good that you cut it.
A couple of them got hit, so not the end of the world, but still a hit. And yeah, I'm hoping I've still got another 20-30% to go on some prices, but yeah, hopefully I don't have too much margin to keep on adding. In fact, on another exchange, I'm unfortunately a bit logged in position, so I'm a bit scared to add, to keep on buying, so I'll probably have to wait it out, but it's probably locking a bit of my cash, unfortunately.
The question really is: are you going to survive without being liquidated? Because if there is a slight chance of liquidation, even that's something that you really need to look at, and consider. Because if that happens, like that is a problem.
Yeah, like for example on ONDO. So for example on Solana now, I have my liquidation price is $100.
Yeah, that's good.
ONDO.
I mean the same applies as I said previously on the previous. I was on that if we lose the 106, what was it? Let me look at it. Let me just bring you up in a second.
155, I think you mentioned.
Yes, 155. Yes, exactly. So if we lose 155 here, then we're going lower. Definitely.
Yeah. So it's one of those. My options are: do I cut my position now in a slight profit, or do I?
Oh, you do. Honestly, you do. I genuinely mean it. I think, look, I mean, I wouldn't, obviously nothing I say is financial advice, but the question, if this starts dumping, because the ETF, people wake up, they call their broker, and there will be, I guarantee you now that there will be at least $1 billion outflow in the ETFs. At least. And the question is, how is that going to get liquidated? What kind of ripple effect does that have? All that stuff. So if you still have positions in profit after this dump, or just when you got in, I do think it's worth taking some of that off the table.
Okay. So yeah, it's a minor position. I'm going to be nearly break even on my Solana. I've got ONDO at, I think, at a liquidation price of around 0.75.
Look at it. Fudge, ONDO went down to like,
yeah, ONDO
$1.
Yeah,
it's crazy. Down 60%. 60%.
I'm about 20% down on my ONDO, but I've got my liquidation price about 0.75 on that.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Most liquidity is taken. I think ONDO is fine, and there's also great narrative with the other. You see, this is also good. Like here, so it's like it almost forms a higher high. Yeah, you could consider this. I mean, if it would come back 50, this could be interesting. Come back to like 1.1 and then possibly 105 and all the way down to the 95-ish.
I mean, I can add a bit on ONDO. I can add to bring my price down, but it's one of those where as soon as I start adding, then obviously my liquidation price is going to go up. So yeah. Cool. Have you been watching the shows? Oh yes, I've been watching since October, I think. So and I must say I'm only following you. So I used to follow others, but
not anymore.
Well, I think it's you bring kind of the right balance of it is what it is. If things have to go down, might as well listen to the bad news, and if it's good news, great. But
yeah,
and I've learned a lot from the style you trade with. So I'm starting to learn, the building of the liquidity and the taking of liquidity by the different exchanges. So I was hoping that I can have some more cash on the side to trade with rather than these positions, because these are kind of long-term positions, because I have quite a lot in terms of I've got Tau, I've got 𝗏𝗏𝗏. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 got hammered. I hate 𝗏𝗏𝗏. I love 𝗏𝗏𝗏, but I hate it. It just keeps on. I just keep on getting killed on 𝗏𝗏𝗏.
Yeah, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 done at $10, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, I mean, if this doesn't bounce here, I know for a fact that they have massive marketing campaign come in and like all the they have an upgrade as well. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 here should be a buy. I genuinely mean it. It should be a buy. It's like a no-brainer buy at $10.
My 𝗏𝗏𝗏, I think my 𝗏𝗏𝗏 liquidation is around $6. I think $7.
I think it's not going there, bro.
Yeah.
No matter what, I don't think it's happening.
I wasn't thinking it was going to go below 15 when it reversed like that, but hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Although this 13 level was the level down here at 12.2. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you as always. And then we just we'll see you in the next one, eh?
Yeah.
Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. Ciao. Omar, I'm going through the names, guys. If you want, we're bringing everybody up. If you want, here is this link pinned in the comments. You can just click on there and you can jump in here. Omar, my friend, is ready for war. He's here. He's like ready. He's smoking a vape. Hold on a second. I need to unmute you. Hold on. Oh, you unmuted yourself. Okay, this is the guy. What's happening, my brother? How are you?
Well, I didn't expect to be here, honestly.
Now you're here.
No. Yeah.
You look very much like my friend, one of our friends, cause he's laughing his ass off because you look exactly like our friend. So what's happening, bro? Tell me something. Is that a THC vape or just a normal vape?
No, it's an IQOS. It's a heated tobacco.
Okay. I heard vapes are shrinking your lungs.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay. So you've been following the shows, or?
Yeah, but honestly, recently I got into crypto and the first dump on the 10th of December.
Okay. Did you get on the top or on the bottom?
Which bottom? Like the dip on the 10th?
Yeah, the dip. Yeah.
Yeah, on the 10th I got on the bottom on spot. And now all my spot positions from then are bleeding like 40, 50, 60%. But I still have like half my cash in leverage trades. And then from the leverage trades, I have like 15, 20% cash left.
Yes. Okay, so you didn't have a great experience with crypto so far.
Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm not that scared, to be honest. Like I used to trade stocks like last year, 2 years, 3 years, and this is much more exciting.
I bet it is more exciting. Okay, so have you been watching the shows?
Yeah, I started watching Sheldon first. I like Sheldon a lot, but he's too bullish. Every time there's a dip, he's like buy, and then another dip, buy. But honestly, I like him because he's consistent, at least.
What do you mean consistent?
Like he's always bullish. He doesn't flip flop. Like
Oh yeah. Cool. And how did you find me?
Honestly, from Crypto Banter.
Just came through. You've got what the fuck? Cuz he's like laughing. What are you laughing on, Cuz? Tell me, what's funny?
Someone is saying, what's up with the zooming in? Look, what a G.
Someone is saying, what's up with the zooming in? What a G.
Oh yeah, bro, this camera, like this laptop, it says the camera is centered or some shit. I don't know. Like every time I pull it back, I'm pulling it back, bro, it's still close.
Bro, you should come on the show regularly. What do you do? What do you do? No, I mean it, bro. I mean it. You should come on the show regularly. What do you do?
What do I do?
Yeah.
No, I'm a college student.
College, what do you study? Let me guess. You study philosophy.
No, what the fuck no.
What do you study?
I study business with an emphasis on information technology management.
Okay. Interesting.
Everything is good here, honestly, but the thing that saved me the most, I know you recommend against it, was shorting. Like I shorted virtually.
No, it's good. I shorted as well. It's good. It's just people don't understand how shorts work and they blame me. So I say don't short.
Yeah, but with these shorts, I had very tight stops. So like I was really willing to lose the money I was putting in the trade.
That's the key. That's exactly the key. That you have a very strict line where you like a stop loss and your risk management. I actually dropped the video on risk management yesterday on Banter. This is the most important.
Yeah.
Do you follow me on X?
Yeah, I follow you on X, bro. But I got like the Jupiter trade you called. It was really good, but I got scared and pulled out like at a break even when it started going down. And then as soon as I fucking closed it, it shot up to like $1.20. But it's fine.
Yeah. What's your X?
My X is Omar_MN, I think.
Omar_MN.
Yeah.
Is this one Omar_MN? I can't see you. Oh, it's here. Oh, your posts are protected.
No,
is this you?
No.
I was like, well, this is not you. Oh, wait, hold on, the guy. Hold on. Okay, this is not you. Okay, so this is Omar_MN.
Yeah, I do follow. I just double checked.
So how do I find you? Omar, how do I find you? Omar?
Go to your profile page, go to your following, and search the username.
But you can't have Omar_MN because there's already someone with that username.
Oh no, my username is Omar_MN00. Is that a zero? Yeah, it's a 0.
Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, cool. I'm gonna send you a message. We might want to have you back on the show if you want to come on. That would be awesome. Just bring some light to us. Alright, bro. Take care. Thanks for jumping on. Take care. I'm sending you a DM now. Ciao, ciao.
Okay. Ciao.
Peace. There is no way that's not a vape, bro. That's like a THC vape. I'm gonna send this dude a message. This is hilarious. This was hilarious, bro. This was funny as shit. Ritesh Hassamal. I thought so, but it's not Hassan, is it? So accurate description of Sheldon. So I'm saying. XRP trade suggestion for spot. Sell. Ritesh, I got you in here. Hold on a second. Maji. What's good? We can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself. We have to unmute you. You have to unmute yourself. We still can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself. Are you driving? We can't hear you. We can't hear you. You have to restart. But the sky looks amazing. We can't hear you, bro. We can't hear you. Jump back in when you're ready. Jump back in when you... Oh, I will go ask to unmute. Now you can click on unmute.
Is it better now?
Yeah! Welcome to the show.
How are you, ready?
How are you?
I'm good. So you ditched me. You didn't come to Mauritius.
Oh, okay. Now I know. Now we're talking. I didn't. I went to the Seychelles, but I will go. I will go to Mauritius. I don't know when, but I will. For sure. So what's happening?
Yeah.
Are you trading?
Am I what?
Are you trading? Did you manage yesterday?
Man, that was the most horrible night of my life, probably, because I didn't sleep the whole night. Just shuffling, adding margin here and there, and when it was almost 5 a.m. here Mauritius time, that candle just dropped and killed me.
Gone. Did you get liquidated?
Yes, half of my position. I had like 14 positions open, half of them gone, and some I've been holding for over a year. Man,
for over
crazy.
A year.
Yeah, I had a different strategy, start small, put big margin, because I knew it was, almost the bottom, and then add enough margin to let it ride. And then, the season took so long. And it came all the way back down and defeated. Yeah, but I still have a few positions still open. Hopefully I'll be able to recoup a bit.
Yeah. Some people ask, how do they get on here? So there is like a link pinned on the pinned comment here. Sorry. It's up here. So you can click on there and then it will bring you in here. And I see the waiting room. We have a lot of people, AG, Kane, Abel, a lot of people in here. We're going to bring you on. Is there anything that I can help you with, my friend? Ritesh, I think your internet is dropping. Are you here?
Are we still connected?
Yes, we are. Can you hear me? I think his internet is gone. Yeah, his internet is gone. Okay, Mark Cook.
He's an OG.
Mark Cook in the house. Mark Cook, welcome to the show. You're on, Mark. You can just unmute yourself. I think if you talk, we're gonna hear you now. No, we can't hear you. We can't hear you. You need to unmute yourself. He says he's trying. I see that. It's all good. I see we have like 350 people keep watching. Eh? It's such a cool thing here. Mark, I'm gonna let you sort this out. Let me just.
Can you
Hear me? There you go. Last seconds to it. You good? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
How are you doing, sir?
All good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Hey, thank you for everything you've done for us. I was going to tell you that I wanted to tell you that everything you said people will try to do, even after you tell us, I'm that guy. I have tried everything you say not to do, even though you tell us to do it this way. And everything you say to do, you are right. You are accurate in everything you've told us to do. I've done well. I paid attention to everything. I've made some money. And then I get wicked because I didn't listen. And I will say, though, my spot bags, even though I'm down like probably 35%, I'm still in profit. And
nice.
That's because of you also. I have not sold any of that. So I may have talked my wife out of some more money last night to buy some more, but
good. Yeah, look, it happens. Just don't be rough on yourself as well. You know, it fucking happens. Are you in an ambulance?
No.
What do you have on here?
Oh, a safety vest.
Oh no, but is it glasses? I thought it was like a
safety glasses. I got
okay.
ones with the 2+ because you will find out when you get to be over 40, man, the writing gets smaller, man. It's terrible. It's awful.
There'll be AI by then. It will be just the glasses and it will tell me what I see. So it's like, it's not gonna come back and go with closed eyes. Yeah. Cool. Is there anything that I can help you with, bro? Like I really appreciate you coming on here and saying this. It really means a lot. You know, don't be harsh on yourself. It happens. Yeah.
$1 billion hustle is awesome. It's you see how that kind of actually applies to your own life a little bit because you're like, hey, you know, you're out here working it too your own way. You know, we're all trying, and it's watching how you did yours. It's kind of cool to see.
Yeah, you know, yeah, go ahead.
Dude, every day you teach us something new, and it's cool to see that there's you're honest, and I'm hoping we can get out of this rat race a little bit. I'm hoping that at least when I get done with this bull run, at least I can get my wife from having to work and back home with the kids and stuff.
My brother, fuck yeah, amen to that, eh? Fuck yeah, I so much appreciate you coming on here. You know, honestly, like I genuinely mean it. I came on and people say whatever the fuck they want to say, but I really dedicated, like I genuinely dedicated my life on helping people achieve exactly what you just described. Like it's literally my everything to have you achieve that. Genuinely, this is why I do not need to be here. I don't now I jumped on here from the show and we're doing this for the past hour just because I want to connect with you because I know how fucking devastating the market was yesterday. Like it means so much that you have the drive and I guarantee you that today together we're gonna get there. I promise you. I'm not gonna settle until we're there. And then we're gonna launch a trading group and then we're gonna do trading together every single morning, scalping. I've got a lot of things planned. Just needs a little bit of time. But yeah.
No, I appreciate it, man. My wife said last night, "Are you gambling? Are you sure this isn't gambling?"
Yeah.
I can't get her to understand. I'm like, I've been working so hard for this over the last year. I've been working really hard. And she's like, I know, but I don't see any profit yet. She doesn't see the reward yet. So I keep telling her it's coming. It's coming.
You know, I'm actually blessed. For me, took a long time to become profitable. I lost $250,000 before I became profitable. Just me pouring money into the market from my salary, from my savings, just giving it to the market. You know, just giving it to the market. And actually, I was in a very same situation where you are, and I was like 7 months in or plus, and still no profits. Just the market just taken, and I was like, you know what? Fuck it, I quit. Like I genuinely quit. I wanted to go to work with Cuz, where he was working at the time. And I was like, you know what? I quit. I'm going to go work. Screw this. And my wife actually told me, like, you can't fucking quit now. Like, she was like, you've been telling me this whole time that it's going to work and you want to quit now? No, not quitting. So like it is going to get there. You realize that it's a mental game. You realize that by becoming a better trader, you become a better human and you become a better man and you become more disciplined. And by doing that, you eventually become profitable as well. But becoming profitable is the result of actually becoming a better self. You know what? So it's really the result of becoming a better person, and I think it's a beautiful journey, and you should fucking never quit. It's incredible, and I promise you, we're gonna have courses coming on the 100x Club here. We're gonna have a bunch of stuff, all giving it away for you guys. So it's gonna be incredible.
One more thing, I won't hold you up. I know there's more people in line. On the leverage trading, the worst thing that's gonna happen to me this cycle is that you've set me up for the next cycle to do a better job, because I've seen, like you said, how you lost the money. That's how I work. I call it paying my dues. I have to pay my school fee, and losing that money is me learning, going, crap, I did it again. Doggone it, I didn't listen. This is what I need to do, A, B, and C, and I didn't do it. And then the next time I'll do better. So
this is why I say it's a self-development journey. Exactly because of this. Because look at me, for example, losing multiple six figures last night. And I was like, I knew we're gonna fucking dump. I was short. I was telling everybody to get short. Why on earth did I not follow through? Because I was out, because I was complacent, because I was listening to others as well, because I was like, okay, you know what? Like, it's probably gonna be a small dip, and then we're gonna go to 295, and then I will have time. No, the market is like becoming a trader, and being a trader is like reputation. You build up reputation through a lifetime, and it takes 30 seconds for you to lose it. I talked about this on one of the $1 Billion Hustle episodes. Bro, it's like you literally build up your reputation for your entire life. And then you're being drunk, you go into a hotel, you shit on the floor, someone records it, puts it on YouTube, and you're gone, you know? Like, we're laughing on it now because it's a good example. I've never done this, but I'm just saying, like, it's so easy to ruin your reputation. You know what I mean? And it's the same thing. Yeah. You can build up a portfolio. Like, as I said previously on this live, I literally gave back 4 months worth of profits, just like this. Bam, out. 4 months, 4 or 5 months. Everything I've been doing, 4 or 5 months, out. Last day, out. So, and it happens, even after years and years and years of being profitable, consistently profitable, it happens. This is what they call drawdown. I never really had this massive drawdown yet. This is my first time. But yeah, it happens. Brother, I truly, yeah, go ahead.
I watched this guy named Fefe. And he says, we're going to make it. We're going to make it, to hang in there. It's going to come.
We are going to make it. My friend. We are. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you, hey? Keep hanging on there.
Thank you, sir.
And it's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be incredible.
Right. Talk to you later, sir. Thank you.
Take care, bro. Much love. Ciao. And I didn't say one thing. This is a message for your wife. I didn't say that because I forgot, but now I remembered. Keep believing in this man. He puts in the work. He jumps on from work in his car. He jumps on to be on the show to talk to me because he's watching the shows. He's got a question. He wants reassurance. Fucking support him, bro. Support him because this is what I need. If my wife never told me, hey, you can't quit now, I would probably be working somewhere for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, whatever that is, and never ever be able to do this for you. So women, support your husband, support your partner, or vice versa, whatever that is. But never give up. Never give up. What do we have here? Do you guys like this? Cheers, cuz. Talent. Much respect. Dino. Oh, we have. Oh, Prince 𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗪𝗏 is already getting his hair. Okay, he's positioning himself. Let me just add him here. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready for the entrance. Check this out.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Fefe.
What's happening?
It was my pleasure to be on this platform and on your show especially. You know, previously I'll be taking your suggestions and the live trades and playing around, but speaking with you is the first time. And I was like trying to comment, get on this board, but finally I did it.
Nice. What's happening? Tell me how is everything okay?
Yeah, all good. But I can say I was a bit avoiding the futures, what a futures trade from last couple of months because of this market volatility and stuff. I was just focusing on sport, so that's why last night was not horrible for me, as I can say. So just your shows and especially Ran and Sheldon, watching these guys gives me a bit confidence to prepare myself mentally into this market.
Yeah, amazing, amazing. You look awesome. Did you just run to get this shirt for this, or you look like this during the day?
Sorry,
You're shocked by the question, I know. No, he's out. He's out. Much love, bro. Much love to you, though. Much love for coming up, being here. Incredible. Kane Kai. Wow, what name? Kane Kai. Such a cool name. Kane Kai. Let's go. Oh, here you go. Are you ready to be edited on the show? Kane, can you hear me? Kane's all disconnecting. Kane, can you hear me?
Oh, hi. Am I in already?
1, 2, 3. You are on now.
Am I? Can you actually hear me? Okay, because I think like there's a lag in the video, and it's.
Oh, don't look at the video. Mute the video, and you can hear it on Zoom.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you're
What's
my hero,
happening?
man. Like honestly, I've been following you for like 8 months already. Yes, my name is Kang. I'm based in Japan. Like I was about to go to sleep when I saw like this whole thing where you're gonna do Zoom, and I'm like, shit, I had to talk to my hero like just once in my lifetime. I'm like so happy. Kind of nervous actually, but yes, I'm really happy. Yeah, honestly, like I saw your I saw what you were talking about previously, like in the previous mentor video as well. You were saying like a lot of people were saying shit about like use calling like price action is gonna go down and stuff like that. Like I just felt like because like personally like I do some calls in like some Discord groups as well. I just felt like a lot of times like those are noises because then like like people will probably be like expecting more of you, and then you kind of get like oh, you can't really let them down, that kind of feeling. So then like eventually it kind of screws up with your own portfolio. Like it happened to me like 2 times already. So I just think like it's also the job of trader to like avoid those noises as well. So like you're awesome. Like just keep believing that, and I love you.
Bruh, thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for just jumping in. Just I appreciate everything. It's very interesting for me to hear you. Did you say you're from Japan?
Yes, I am.
So, bro, we've had people from Florida, from somewhere in the Scandinavia. We've got people, Bolivia, Hong Kong, Japan now. We've got like people all around the world just tuning in here, literally just watching our show and like getting richer. And this is really what it's about, and it really resonates. And I truly appreciate you.
I mean, you're the best analyst in banter. Like, what can I say? Like, it's naturally expected, right?
Thank you. Is there anything I can help you with? So people are saying that we should check the market, but I mean, there's not much happening in the market, to be honest with you. Like, I know it. Hold on a second. Yeah, I know it's like people think this is like a pump, but I told you that we're probably going to take like this. This is literally what I said. Like literally what I said, that we're probably going to take a little bit of liquidity here. Let me pull this up. I don't know why it's not happening here. So we probably just took some liquidity here, and we're going higher. I told you guys there's going to be a retrace, and then the retrace is actually happening now. This is what I see, but that's nothing to really consider. Is there anything that I can do for you, Kai? Is there any questions you have, any positions you're in?
Yeah, I have 2 questions. Hopefully it's not going to take a lot of times. Like my first question is that like how many trades did it take for you to actually felt like you're a professional trader? Like for example, like
trades?
200 trades or 300 trades, and you felt like you sort of got a hang of it?
Years, bro. I've been doing this since 2018. Now, I started really focusing on trading and upping my game in 2022. 2022 was the year when I was like really started looking into it. I got a mentor. I worked with him for a month. Then I literally went on and just did a lot of YouTube. And so it took me years, but I've been in the space since 2016. Started trading 2018, then got back professionally in 2022. So it's like it's a long time, but it's very important you adopt. So you take your learnings, and then every 50 trades, every 50 trades, 20 trades, you adopt. And that's it. And as you adopt, I actually had a show on you really should, I don't know if you have seen it, on Cryptomentary. There is a full show on the weekend. Run is live here. Let me just videos ago here, video banter, and here it is. This is why you keep losing money in crypto. Like these two, one is journaling about your emotions, and the other one is literally risk management. It's really, 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 really good. And so that every 50 trades, you just reevaluate, and as you reevaluate, it's just move forward.
Got it. Thank you. And also my other question is that what's going on with Injectives, I guess, because like. I know you're investing to it, and I was making some spot buy decisions yesterday because I thought that might have been the bottom. Unfortunately, I got caught up in this.
Where did you enter?
Injective, my average is around 17.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's not that bad, I guess, like 17. But like this morning, I woke up, it's like 1280 or something like that, and I was like, okay, that's
Oh, so it's just 14.
Okay.
It's just 14. Did you say 17?
17, yeah.
Yeah, INJ should be fine. You should be fine.
Because you were saying like the price is gonna drop, so I play some deeper bids instead. So I managed to get like a slightly lower price. But definitely wasn't expecting like the huge liquidation one.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be this fast. I knew we were gonna get to 295, but I thought it was gonna be slower. It was very fast.
Absolutely.
I think you should be fine. Look, I think you should be fine.
Like, yeah, absolutely. Because you've been talking about like 2.95 cents like 3 months ago. And
yeah.
I was like, okay, it might happen on like, for example, December and where like they're farming tax loss, but it didn't happen. Yeah. And I was like, it might happen like when Japan raises interest rate. It didn't happen. And then it happened now. Like, what the fuck?
Just looks, I think it's good. So like the fact that liquidity is taken here, completely taken. We just need to reclaim this. And if it reclaims the 20 level, we're looking at like 50, 60. Also, it's very important to understand that you don't need to make, this is what a lot of people screw up here. You don't need to make all your money in you don't have to buy the bottom. You can buy off to confirmation. So if you look here in INJ, for example, once you get up to like the $21-ish region, if you get a confirmation here, you take 50% of your position here, you wait for a 50% pullback, you take 50% of your position here, your average entry is going to be about 18, 19, right? So from 18, 19, a confirmed break could, if it goes, when it goes to all-time high, that's a 200% move. On 10x, that's like 2,000%. You know what I mean? So it's like you don't need to catch the bottom every single time. And this is what, with big money, this is what I would do. I would just wait it out because yes, will you buy 20% higher, 30% higher? Sure. Do you care? No, because 80% of the gains is made in the last 20% of the market. So Kate, I appreciate you being here, bro. I appreciate what you said. I appreciate you being in the community. Much love. Thank you so much.
Bye, love.
Take care. Ciao. Ciao. So cool, eh? So cool. We have another 10 minutes? Okay, we have another 10 minutes. There are so many of you joining in. I appreciate it. AJ, are you ready to be added? You're still on mute? You hear me, AJ? You should sorry, say, and cannot hear you.
Yes.
Yes, I hear you. What's happening? Welcome to the show.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm also from South Africa. I assume you hear the accent.
Lekker.
Yeah, Fefe, I really appreciate. Yeah, I've been watching your show for a while, and I've followed Banter as well. My question to you basically is, I've also done everything that I shouldn't have done. High leverage, got wrecked a couple of times. Now I've tried a different strategy. I've been having a look at the TON station or the TON network, and I've identified one or two like pre-market stuff. So I went and I heavily invested into Blum pre-market with the hope. It's high risk, but I mean, I can't get liquidated, so hopefully I'll get a 5x or something within the first week of launch. That is, if it launches. And And then I'm thinking of going to Ton Station when the gaming narrative jumps. So I'm going to stay away from the trading or the leverage. I'm just going to go high risk with the pre-market and then jump from the one to another very small cap in the Ton network. And I'm going to hope Ton explodes. What do you think about that?
I think it's good. The problem with the pre-sales is that while you're trading, you control the narrative, you control the chart. It's you against you and the chart. If you go on pre-sales, you are dependent on a team that you don't even know personally, and you just have a promise that you buy into and hope that the team is going to make up for it. They're going to give you the tokens, they're going to give you the right time, and the market conditions will be good for the launch. So obviously, you can make money there as well, but you have to be a very, very good fundamental analysis, and you have to be very good at reading white papers, looking up and researching teams to understand why it's worth investing. Also have to understand who the market maker is, have to understand who backs these projects. So it's a different kind of ball game. For me, it always been about trading because trading is very fast adaptive. What happens if these guys decide to push out the launch 3 months and then the bull market ends? Like you can't control the narrative, and you always want to be in control. So although I think you can make a lot of money in pre-sales and OTCs, and I tell you all about the stuff that I'm getting involved in, it's risky in a different way.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate your show.
Always, bro. Much love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, and then we have Tanvir. Tanvir Islam. Hey, you hear me, Tanvir? I hear you. Tanvir does not hear me. He does not hear me. Okay, guys. I think this was a fun show. I truly appreciate you. We have Robert. We have Robert here as well. Robert! What's happening? Hold on a second. There you go. We just can't see you. Hold on, wait.
Hello?
There we go. What's happening? Welcome to the show.
What's up, brother? How you going?
Good.
When my YouTube cut out, I thought you guys were finishing the show. So
no, almost we are, but we see. I'm trying to squeeze as many people. I get the memo from Cus here that we gotta go soon. We have a meeting in 10 minutes. So.
No, thanks for having me on.
Always. How is it?
Yeah, good. Bled out of every orifice last night out in that dump, but still got a little bit of spot and a little bit of stuff in margins. So hopefully I can pick it back up after that.
Did you get liquidated? Yeah. Were you high leverage?
I was surviving. Well, I got. No. I was only on 3x, but I was in margin.
No margin.
Position, so rather than, rather than in futures, I was in margin, spot margin, and I survived most of it. And then that last little wick just cut me out of a couple of them. So it was a bit brutal. And then I woke up, 5 a.m. and just panic closed the rest of it. I was like, fuck that, done. So just looking for a spot to get back in.
Yeah, it's tough. But have you been watching the shows or have you been following through?
Yeah, a little bit. My Twitter handle and YouTube is actually 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗪. So I don't know why my Zoom.
𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗪. I think 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗪. We know 𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗪. I think it rings the bell on. Hold on a second. Let me see it here. Yeah, I can't feel you. It's fine. But don't get. But are you gonna be? So are you getting back trading or like what's the plan? You say you're gonna get back in. What's the plan?
Well, so I've still got my spot, and then I'm gonna reassess my margin. Probably I had too many positions open, and then probably have 1 or 2 plays in futures in here and there, maybe 3 margin. Keep it a bit rigid, and then watch the risk management and the journaling.
Yes.
Stick to it.
Did you watch the show on the weekend?
No. I've not had time to yet. So
you should go and check it out. It's you should watch it. It's really good. It's the 2 shows here this one, the why you lose, and the
risk management. A lot of people
journal.
talk.
You should watch. It's really, really good shows, both about journaling and about risk management. Is there anything that I can help you with, or you've got a question, you've got a position, you got anything to discuss, or you just came to say hi?
I guess my question was really because like considering the alt season is probably not a thing, and we're going to look at rotational plays. And is there a kind of a way to, do you buy in spot on a few and then wait till that rotation pumps and then sell out of that rotation and then
if you want to play it on spots and if you want to be very the question is, what is it that you want? Because this is what I said, 80% of the gains is made in the last 20% of the bull market. So like, you don't have to be in very early. You can wait for a confirmation and then take a position and get out earlier. You know what I mean? You're not going to make 200%, 300% on spots, but you might make 150, but that's a confirmed breakout. Same with trading. You can start layering in because you don't know when the reversal comes, especially in the bull markets. It comes very, very fast. Or you can just wait for a confirmation and take a massive scalp 25x leverage position because you have a very tight stop loss and this is a calculated position. So like, it's the same here. Either you want to layer. I would not recommend you take, of course, for major ones that are here for multi-cycle, I think it makes sense to buy and hold because you can't really go wrong. But if you're playing AI agents, for example, as a narrative, gaming as a narrative, I don't know if it's going to be here next cycle. I have no idea. So like, I don't want to allocate. When it comes, I trade into it, and this is why I have 60% of my money in on the trading account, because then I can just trade with it.
Yeah, and I just had a question about your kind of the scalping strategy. Like I think I've seen before that on a market structure shift, you'll get in 50% of your position, and on the 50% retrace, you go on the other 50%. Like, is it a safer play to hold out on the market structure shift and then only get in on the 50% retrace?
It depends. Again, it all comes down to what type of trader you are and how involved you want to be in the market. What you can also do is you can just take this is what we're developing now, like a bot. Oh my God, we have to have a meeting with those guys. I promised them Monday. We didn't. Okay, tomorrow. So we're deving a tool where it takes from my trading view alert, it takes a trade when we have a market structure shift, and the risk is calculated based on the low. So you can still take the layering in is only because of maxing out the trade. But a lot of times, here are two things that can happen. One, you miss. If you always wait for the 50% retrace, one, you get a very high probability setup because your risk is going to be very small. But you're going to miss much more trades because a lot of times it goes up, it has a market structure, like AR did on a higher time frame. It just goes, it never comes back because of the suppressed liquidity. I think it's, the suppressed price and the built up liquidity. So it depends on what you want. It can happen that you have a smaller risk reward if you enter on the MSS, but the probability of the trade is much higher, and the number, like how many times you have the trade,
winning trades.
Or it can be that you always wait for the pullback because it's much more certain. Your hit rate is going to be much better because obviously you're going to be right more times than not, and your risk reward is going to be much higher. But you might have maybe 5 trades, 3 trades instead of the 10 that you would have normally.
Yeah, cool. That's all I had. So,
thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Take care, hey?
Yes, brother.
Take care.
Love it.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao, bro. Ciao, ciao. Guys, we have to call it a day. I think this was a cool session. If you did so, smash the like. I see 230 something of you still here. I see that there are people still in the waiting room, but we are going to sort it. Not this time, but next time. I think we're going to make this into a regular. I think every week we're going to have one of these where you can just jump on chat. We're going to discuss the markets. I might even get some guests on. I truly appreciate you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, but you've probably done all that already. You can rewatch these 2 videos. They are pretty confident. They're cool. And you can click here to subscribe. Guys, truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. And I believe I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.